Hello everybody and welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mariah, aka Ray Baby. What's good? If you're returning, thank you so much. If you're new, hey girl, hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button while you're here. So as you can tell by this video, I'm doing my nails today and I'm doing polygel nails. This is my first time in a while doing them, and I have my other hand already done just to save time because this takes me a while, just because like I said, I'm new to this and it's not that easy for me, but I did take my time to try to make it as cute as possible. Right now I'm doing some nail prep. This was as close as I could get the footage, but I will zoom in on some parts if I haven't already to show you guys closer what it looks like. But the closer I try to zoom, the less the quality is, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so what I'm doing now, you guys, is I'm prepping my nails, and I do this by buffing them, cutting off extra cuticle skin if it's dead skin, pushing back the cuticles, removing the shine from the nails by using a dehydrator, as well as 99% alcohol or any alcohol that you have, and then going in after all of that with the base gel. Also, disclaimer, you guys, I am not a nail technician. This is not a nail tutorial. This is just how I do my nails, and I'm just showing you guys how I do my nails. If you have different methods, or if you disagree with anything that I'm doing, that's perfectly fine. You're entitled to your opinion, your way, that's cool. But this is how I do my nails, and I'm just showing you guys, so yeah. Alrighty, so for today I am using dual forms. I'm using dual forms because I just wanted to try them, because I haven't tried them in a while. The last time I did my polygel nails, I did use nail tips, so I just wanted to try the dual forms. So I'm taking the base gel and coating the inside of the dual form before I go in with the butterfly decorations, decals, whatever they're called. Like I said, I'm not a nail tech, so I wouldn't really know, but the butterfly decor is what I just call it. And then I'm just sticking that into the base gel, and then I'm going to cure that for about like 30 seconds before I go in with my pink polygel. For this design, you guys, I had two of the butterfly decor nails, so I'm just prepping them both before I put them into the lamp. Alright, so now I'm just taking the light pink polygel from this SHEIN set. I believe it's called light pink or nude pink. But I'm just taking that and spreading it out in the dual form, covering the entirety of, well, not the entirety of the dual form, but as long as I wanted it to be. And I'm just going to spread that out as best as I can before I go ahead and put it onto my nail. And I believe I'm going to do that for both nails first. Yep. And then I'm going to put them on, trying to use the clear nail clips that I have, but that really didn't work out as best as I thought it would. So then I'm just going to end up just holding it down regular without the nail clips. So before I put on the dual form to my nail, I'm just putting on the dehydrator like I said, and then I'm coating it with base coat. And then for the base coat, I'm going to put it in the lamp and cure it for about 60 seconds. And then I am going to put on the dual forms and cure that also for 60 seconds. So the reason the clear nail clips didn't work out for me was because the fact that when I put them on to hold down the dual form, it squished the product out more than it would if I would have just had it on there plainly. So that's what I'm doing here, just trying to clean up the underside before I cure it. Full disclaimer, guys, like I said, I'm not a nail tech and I did make mistakes. One of the mistakes that I made was using the nail clips. The other mistake that I made was not making sure the underside of each nail was secure or was flattened out before I cured it, because you really don't want that bulkiness underneath the nail. It's really annoying, and it makes the product uneven, so your nail is not as strong as it may appear to be. So you will have like the bulk of your product at the back of your nail instead of on the apex where it should be. So for my index finger and my pinky, I wanted to do kind of like a strawberry ombre effect. So I did use the cover pink and the dark pink colors and kind of did an ombre effect, and it blended very nicely. That's what you want to make sure, that you blend them as nice as possible. If you were doing this on nail tips, you would blend the darker color first and then the lighter color, but since this is dual forms, I put the lighter color first because that's what's going to show on top, and then the darker color. So you just want to make sure that you do it the opposite way if you're doing dual forms versus nail tips. So this actually took a while, you guys, for me to do my entire hand. I already did my other hand the day before, and I split it up like that just because I had somewhere to be and I couldn't finish both hands in time, because like I said, I don't do nails. So when I actually do this, I take my time because I want to make it as perfect as I can. So you know, I had time this day, so I just wanted to make sure everything was great and good before I put them on. And like I said, I did make mistakes, so it wasn't perfect, but it came out very pretty in the end result, as you saw in the beginning and as you will see again in the end for a closer, better reveal shot. But you want to just make sure that when you're putting on the nail, that you really clean up the underside, because that's what's really important. So my middle finger is going to be my accent finger, so I took 3 different of the pink shades. I did the bean red, the cover pink, and the light pink, and I just kind of did like a swirling effect, and I blended it into the dual form and then cured it in the lamp for about 60 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds. just clear capping my nails. I did file them as I showed you guys, but I will have to file them again after I clear cap them. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the rhinestone gel and the rhinestones and just make the design look even better.
자신이 미워서 한참을 울었어. 그래야 기분이 나아질 것 같아서 내일이 오면 나는 또다시 어제 입었던 옷을 입고서 have to fake myself.
So like I said, guys, this middle finger is my accent finger, so I want this one to be more blinged out than the rest. And then I'm just going to be putting rhinestones around the cuticles. And then for the two fingers with the butterflies, I mean not with the butterflies, the two fingers that had the ombre effect, I will put a bigger stone on the middle as well. So after I put on all the rhinestones, I'm going to top coat everything. Everything except for the butterfly nails will have regular gel top coat, and the butterfly nails will have a matte top coat that I got from the Beatles collection. These are my final results, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. Like I said, this wasn't a tutorial by any means, but this is how I do my nails, and I really liked how they came out. This saves me a lot of money. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. I don't post many nail tutorials or nail videos in general, but I do occasionally, and they're pretty fun. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.